Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your Binance voting over other apps, meaning how to get an overlay of your pairs that you're monitoring in Binance while using other applications. So to do this, go to the market sections of your Binance account, then, sorry for the notification, go to this little window right here. Once you've done that, click on voting window display, and here you have your pairs. You can add more, remove more when you log into your account. And when you activate that, you'll be taken to your system settings. What you need to do is go over to draw over other apps and click yes from here. Now let's go back. And now we have turned it on, and you can see we have this little window right here that will just stay open no matter what we open else, and we can constantly monitor it. And if you want to go to Binance real fast, we can just click this here. Come on, open. And it will take us to the pair real fast. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.